Have you ever thought of using a drill machine for something other than drilling? Well, other than the standard bits included with every drill, there are plenty of attachments available on the market that will bestow even greater effectiveness, efficiency, and fun for your drill. So, what are those attachments? Well, not to panic, as in today's video, we will show you the 10 drill attachments and accessories that are gonna let you use your drill in a whole new way. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Starting with the PDS Grease Gun, a smart grease pump adapter that is compatible with any hammer driver, cordless drill, impact wrench, or impact driver to transform them into an electric-powered grease gun. Leading industrial designers inspected each of these kits' quality for hundreds of hours and mentioned it as faultless and worthy. With a static and tough design built by high-standard durable materials, this adapter stands up to any demanding action. This PDS grease gun adapter can hold up to 14 ounces or 400 cc of grease so that you won't have to refill it back and forth while using. Compatible with a 1/4 inch hex drive shank and allowing up to 8,000 psi force, you can use a strong adapter for any tough jobs that you may come across. In essence, having this PDS grease gun adapter in your toolbox can make a difference to your jobs while keeping your work flawless. Ever feel the need for scrubbing a pad to remove heavy dirt or smudges? Meet the scrubbing pads of drill brushes that escalates your daily requirements and allows you to have a shiny look. With one drill attachment disc and 4 replacement pads, you can clean different areas based on your needs. Made of polypropylene nylon and basic steel, these scrubbing pads allow you to get smooth and precise cleaning. You can wipe out dirt and stains from your glass stove surface, shower doors, wall panels, and there are brushes suited for tough work like cleaning brick and linoleum. Weighing about 1/4 pound of weight and dimensions of 1x4 inch, each of these scrubbers is compact and lightweight. Finally, the scrubbing pads for drill is an effective attachment in order to complete your tough cleaning jobs with much satisfaction. Introducing the Self-Adjusting Universal Socket Wrench, a strong and durable multi-purpose tool that can easily be used with a socket wrench, power drill, and ratchet driver. Constructed by superior chrome vanadium steel with an electroplated power drill adapter, it ensures you a huge lifetime and additional improvements to your jobs. With a self-adjusting design, this socket is automatically suitable for standard 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch matrix, 7 to 19mm screw, nut, or bolt, which may save much time and money for you. For automotive repair machines, electricians, and home maintenance, this universal socket wrench delivers an acceptable performance while using. In short, ideal for enthusiastic home decorators and designers, this universal socket is an eligible and advantageous option for you. Seeking a socket for wood, PVC, or plastic? Here comes the Ryker Hardware 10-piece hole socket that appears with many durable and robust features to boost your woodwork. This 10-piece power drill saw set is built of premium quality carbon steel with nickel-plated coating, which is impact and wear resistant to assure you a long-lasting lifetime with sturdy performance. Containing 8 different sized hole saws while having 1-inch cutting depth, this socket offers you quality cuts to your specified surface. With the high-speed steel teeth and smooth cutting edges, these hole saws can cut through wood, puff, and plastic and can create super clean cuts with accuracy. Altogether, if you're looking for a sturdy and multiple hole saw set, this Ryker Hardware 10-piece hole saw kit will live up to all your demands. Meet the Pepiro Auger Drill Bit, a lightweight and quality tool that will enable you to accomplish your gardening tasks efficiently. This earth auger bit is made from premium carbon steel, which ensures long-lasting utility and efficacy so that you won't face any issues due to your regular garden work. This drill set is compact and has a 1.8 by 15 inch length footprint for easy setup and go. It can be used for multiple ground types such as plant bulbs, dig ice holes, as well as mixing soil, fertilizers, and seeds. After all, in order to carry out effortless gardening, the Pepiro Auger Drill Bit is an effective kit, which offers you a trouble-free user experience. Flexible and extendable, talking about the Maxus Flexible Drill Bit Extension, a superior tool that can be bent or twisted for beyond reach areas. This 11.6-inch drill bit is made of high-quality plastic, metal materials with intense craftsmanship in order to give you a heavy-duty performance. It can work flexibly by reaching any inconvenient area with the most interesting features of bending, twisting, and spinning, which helps your job to be done effortlessly. With 2 pieces of replaceable suit and compatible with a small wrench, cordless screwdriver, and electric screwdriver, the Maxxis flexible drill bit can solve all your problems pretty easily. Featuring a wide rotating inner shaft and flexible black sleeve, it offers extra protection without damaging the outcome. Overall, Maxxis flexible drill bit extension is a unique featured tool with superior flexibility that you can purchase without any hesitation. WorkPro 10-piece Pro Spade drill bit set is an exemplary kit that offers all the necessary items to cut smooth holes faster than standard spade bits. This drill bit set is assembled by fully heat-treated, black-coated carbon steel that offers you durability and hardness above HRC 48. Besides, the polished head assures high wear resistance and length of service. With its patent-pending design, it can efficiently remove wood chips, while the unique double-sized cutting spurs let you carve your wood perfectly. Containing 10 heavy-duty drill bits with a quick-changing hex shank with groove, this WorkPro bit set helps to avoid spilling or falling off while providing you extra safety. In brief, if you want the ultimate drill bit set to refine carvings and holes of wood, then the WorkPro 10-piece Pro Spade drill bit set can meet all your requirements on every basis. While mixing paint or mud, a flawless mixer can assist you to get better blending with less energy. Meet the Edward Tools paint and mud mixer that fits in all types of drills and lets you mix up to 5-gallon buckets of paints perfectly. Made of high-grade steel, this drill bit mixer has a zinc-coated sole and is easier to clean for its rust-proof finish. With the hexagonal head design, including a ribbon mud mixer blade, it offers you a quick and non-slipping performance by attaching with all standard drill sizes. In conclusion, the Edward Tools paint and mud mixer is a time-saving and conservative tool for your paint or mud mixing, which you should keep in your checklist. Stylish, powerful, and effortless, here comes the Drill Brush Cleaning Set by Highwear, a compact yet durable power scrubber brush set that will simplify your excess dirt cleaning. These brushes are made of medium stiff nylon bristles with polypropylene plastic blocks, allowing you to scrub your bathtubs, shower towels, and kitchen surfaces without any scratches. Coming with 3 different sized brush heads with extendable impact, this set lets you scrub those hard-to-reach surfaces with ease while being compatible with most cordless drills. Moreover, every brush of this set is easy to attach with the demanding machine, and you can quickly change them with its innovative quick change shafts so that you can have a trouble-free action due to cleaning. To summarize, this drill brush cleaning set provides time and effort-saving qualities, which can truly be a perfect tool for your household cleaning. Now let's talk about number 1, the AutoTool Home Sanding Discs Kit, a standard sanding disc kit that satisfies you with the most smooth sanding and polishing. Coming with 80 pieces of 5-inch various grits, you can use them for random orbital sander, electric drill, and angle grinder. Besides, they also provide you with glinting and suitable sanding at the maximum usable surface. In order to add betterment to your regular needs, these aluminum oxide sandpapers feature good abrasion resistance and anti-static impacts, which are ideal for grinding and finishing on metal, wood, rubber, and all. With the hook and loop backing and special steerate coating, this sanding kit assures you a better surface finish with long-lasting durability. Lastly, if you're looking for getting a perfect kit for smoother sanding and polishing, this discs kit from AutoTool Home is surely what you exactly want. So that was a list of the 10 drill attachments and accessories just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.